Now, do you think there should be warning labels on social media apps? Well, Surgeon General Vivek Murthy says these labels worked on tobacco. He says they can also help teens. So here's the story.
Surgeon General Vivek Murthy, America's top doctor, wants to slap warning labels on social media apps. He says social media significantly harms teen mental health, and it's a national emergency. Murphy told the Today Show many parents don't even know the risks.
A doubling of risk of anxiety and depression symptoms, and the average amount of use per day among adolescents is nearly 5 hours. So that's deeply concerning to me.
He says a warning label would help them understand.
Sleeplessness, irritability. You can also have issues with kids as far as their attention span. And social media in general just causes problems with young minds.
Tech expert Burton Kelso is the father of 2 teens, and he agrees warning labels should be put on social media apps. Kelso also agrees with Murthy's suggestions, like banning social media until at least after middle school, and phone-free zones in the house, especially in the bedroom. Kelso says parents also need to monitor their children's online activities.
There isn't any decent parental control app that you can install, like, say, a smartphone monitor that's going to allow parents to look and see what's going on with social media accounts. Parents need to get the username and password.
The Surgeon General also wants Congress to pass laws banning apps from collecting children's data and restricting features like notifications, autoplay, and infinite scroll. He also wants companies to make public all the health-related data associated with social media use.
Now, it's worth mentioning that actually kids advocacy group Fair Play told NTD social media today is like tobacco decades ago. The business model depends on addiction. They say the Surgeon General's warning would be a critical step toward helping children. Okay, now let's talk about